Good morning, everyone. It's February the 6th. It's about 10 o'clock in the morning. Yesterday, I got the FIMI X8 SE in the mail, and that's the package on the right. The package on the left is the Hubsan Zino I got December the 30th. This is not a general unboxing or a regular unboxing. This is more of a comparison head to toe, and it's only the beginning. It's probably one of 3 different videos I'll be doing. So the box on the left is the Zino. You see the yellow tape around it? That's from Customs Canada. So the Zino, made in China, went from China to Los Angeles to the warehouse. Los Angeles distributed, repackaged to Canada. Came to Canada, the yellow tape signifies customs. It was opened and resealed. The package on the right, the FIMI X8, came from China through Banggood shipping, direct, untouched, straight to the door. So let's have a look at the one on the left and see how it's packaged, the Hubsan one. The Hubsan is a box and a box and a box. So I ordered one with the extra battery. So it came, that's the battery, and this is the other box. Take the box out. So this is the normal Hubsan box that everybody got. It's a box within a box within a box. Okay? When the Zino came, it cost me $80 Canadian to have it delivered to the door. So the customs charged me $80 as a fee. The FIMI on the right didn't charge me anything. And this package, plastic bag, a piece of foam wrapping, and that's the FIMI. So the FIMI, I paid $399 US, December the 10th, ordered it from FIMI. The Zino, I paid $399 US from Hubsan with the extra battery. The only difference is the battery. So Canadian, the Zino cost me $525, and the FIMI cost me $525. When you add in the exchange, the Zino with the delivery cost me $605 Canadian. FIMI cost me $525. So here we are with the 2 drones. Zino on the left, FIMI X8 on the right. Everybody knows what you get in this Zino. It's cardboard packaging, protectors, and that's it. What do we get in the FIMI? Well, they are almost the same size. Almost. There's maybe a 3/4 of an inch difference and a 1/2 inch up here. So we know what's in there. So we'll take this. And that's what we get in the FIMI. Controller, stick modules, drone, contains all the electronics, charger, cables, etc. And a protective cover and 2 printed manuals. So we'll go from there.